All right, I'm Jeff Keller with Century 21 Jeff Keller Realty, and this is a video of 1915A Kissingbower Rd Augusta, Georgia 30904. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home available, built in 1949, and it is a gas and electric home with Augusta Utilities, SCANA Gas, and Georgia Power. I'm inside a home with hardwood floors. We're finishing up some improvements on the inside. It's got a 1,800 square feet, which is a normally sized home for this time, with 2 full baths. This is 1 bathroom here in the hall. Here's another master bedroom on the rear side, right left corner, with a 2nd full bathroom here. And a closet. We come inside, we have a small hallway common area, the 2nd bedroom. We have a 3rd bedroom here. Hardwood floors throughout the home. The oversized master kitchen with the stove, hood, kitchen faucet, kitchen counters, kitchen cabinets, all here. We have a full-size laundry area, door to the outside, electric water heater, and such. Last, we'll take you inside of the dining room, which is where we started. Here's the dining area, and then back to the front door where it is. This home is part of a shared driveway with the neighboring property. Anyone that lives here would have to be agreeable to share the neighboring property. And then the screened porch. So if you'd like to know more about homes, you should subscribe to the YouTube channel and also apply within. Thank you very much.